Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. For this video we're going to talk about a cool killifish that I found at the Keystone Clash this last year, the Red-Striped Killifish. Now the Red-Striped Killifish, I'm going to put the Latin name on screen now for y'all. I'm not going to butcher this one. They are found in the wild in various parts of West Africa. They live in the forests, swamps, and slow-moving coastal rainforests and pools and prefer soft, acidic water, dimly lit with, lots of vegetation. This species was first discovered in 1911 by George Boulenger, same guy that discovered the gardener eyes, which we've talked about before. These guys have a pike-style body type with an upturned mouth, and they are named after the red stripes that run vertically along the body length of these fish. And of course, that is for the males. Females have a more like silvery gray tone to them instead. As for parameters, most likely you're going to want to keep these guys in a 10-gallon tank. They're going to get about 2 inches. You could get away with a 5, you're only going to keep a pair, but I would just say spring for the 10 at that point. Water temps for these guys, you're going to keep between 68 to 74. And a pH of 5.5 to 7. These require a slightly more acidic pH than the other guys because they get more vegetation that falls into their areas and it decays. They are carnivores, so they're going to be feeding on insects and small crustaceans in the wild. So when you feed them things like a daphnia, a tube fix, bloodworm, and baby brine shrimp. Brine shrimp, frozen, freezed, live, would be good for them. You could also give them something like an Aquarium micro pellet or an extreme nano. And if you want to try your hand at them, you're definitely going to want to give these guys a supply of live food so that they know that their babies are going to have a food source to feed on. You could do baby brine shrimp, or you could do daphnia, whichever is easy for you. Now with these guys, having Java moss in the tank is going to entice these guys to lay their eggs more and breed. And the females are going to lay between 20 and 30 eggs over a 3 to 4 week period. And in the tank, these eggs will stick to the bottom of your tank. If you want more to survive and just don't want to let them be their own, you're going to want to pull these a couple days after the breeding happens. Now, if you leave them in the tank, most likely the parents are going to eat the eggs because they don't know any better. So if you really want to see these guys succeed, you're definitely going to want to pull the eggs. Now, the red-striped killifish are a peaceful species, so they can go in a community tank environment. They're going to get along with other peaceful things like your smaller dwarf cichlids, your rasboras, your corridoras, your tetras. So you can keep them with other fish. Think things smaller, similar size to them, nothing super huge or aggressive. Give them, hiding spots with decor, tanks, rockwork, all that good jazz, and you'll have no problem keeping these in a community setting. They're pretty fish, and one that I'm extremely grateful that I found last year at Keystone Clash. They're also considered one of the easier killifish to keep, and they have a slightly longer lifespan of 3 to 5 years. So for the coolness of this fish, the small size, overall easiness to breed, the nice colors, I'm going to give them a solid 10 out of 10 because I think they are a beautiful fish, and I really want to try and breed some more of them. So as always, thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you find yourself coming back around the regular and you're not subscribed yet, maybe hit that sub button for me. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the red-striped killifish, if you've kept them, if you want to keep them. And of course, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.